Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I decided we're gonna do something fun, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna be trying out some viral TikTok recipes, and I am so excited. I don't know about anybody else, but I could seriously stay on food TikTok for hours. And I do. So I figured today, let's do something fun. Let's try out some recipes. I think I have about three or four to try out today, and we're just gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how they actually taste, because these get a lot of hype. We're gonna see today, are they worth the hype? You know, I've just been in a funk lately, I guess you could say, and one thing that makes me happy is food. So that's the video we're gonna do today. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love to cook, I love to bake. Like I said, food just makes me so happy. So I figured, you know what, this would be a little different video, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. I know I definitely am gonna enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I think I'm just probably gonna show the TikToks on the screen when I'm doing them. But the first one we're gonna do is the homemade Starbucks iced brown sugar oat shaken espresso. This drink, you guys, has been everywhere lately. I'm expecting a lot from it because it's seriously been all over the internet. Now, the only thing is I don't have an espresso machine, so I'm just gonna use my own homemade cold brew, and I don't have oat milk, so I'm just gonna use regular milk. So I have a cute little mason jar right here. The first thing it looks like she does is just put like a spoonful of brown sugar in the bottom, so let's do that. Oh, also fun fact for this, I only have 2 ice cubes, so we're gonna try to somehow manage with that. Okay, so I just put this much in. I think that's good enough. I also read the comments, they said to put cinnamon in as well. I don't know how much cinnamon to put in, so I think I'm just gonna like sprinkle it in there. Put the ice cubes in. Like I said, I only have 2 ice cubes. Now it's time to pour in the coffee. So this is just some homemade cold brew right here. Pour that in. We'll just do we'll do that much. Now it's time to put the lid on and just go ahead and shake. Ooh, okay, I think that's good enough. So now she goes ahead and she adds the milk. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Add the milk in. I don't really know how much she puts in, but okay, let's start out with that. Look at that, you guys. Should we take a sip and then maybe we'll like modify it if it's not up to par? I don't know how I feel about this, to be honest. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, this is actually really good. I honestly thought it would be kind of gritty from the brown sugar and even like the cinnamon, but I'm not getting any of that at all. I think probably because we shook it up. I think if I had more ice cubes, this would be absolutely amazing. I was not expecting to like this as much as I do. I thought it was honestly going to be one of those like super overhyped things that everybody talks about, but it's not actually that great, but this is pretty good. Like honestly, you guys, I could even add more milk to this. Oh my god, just like, how did I manage to flick that everywhere? Okay, if I had to rate this out of 10, I would give it a, let's go 8.5 out of 10, because this is pretty great. I'm very, very impressed with this. Okay, this next thing that we're gonna make, it's not really a recipe, I guess you could say. It's kind of just a snack. And honestly, I cannot find the TikTok that I saw this on. It was just somebody trying it and they said it's a really good snack. So basically what it is, it's a bowl of popcorn and then you put soy sauce on it. And I was like, that sounds disgusting. Let's give it a go. Okay, so we have the popcorn and the soy sauce, and basically what she did, she just got a little bowl, put some popcorn in it, and took some soy sauce and put it on top. So that's what we're gonna do. I just have a feeling this is gonna be really gross. Okay, I think I'm just gonna take like a small handful of popcorn because I don't really want to waste the popcorn because I don't think I'm gonna like this. So I'm just gonna do like that much in the bowl. And there wasn't any like certain measurement for the soy sauce. She just kind of poured it. Oh my god. I just caught like a whiff of the soy sauce. It literally took my breath away. I kind of drizzled it over the popcorn, so... Oh, I think I put way too much. So I kind of just put it in one section by accident, so maybe I'll take a spoon and like stir it around. Okay. Is this soy sauce? Yeah, it is. Why does it smell weird? It smells really odd. I was like, did I grab the wrong thing? So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna grab a piece that has a lot of the soy sauce on it. Oh my god, that's insanely salty. Wow. You know what? It's not that bad. The thing about it is it's super, super salty. I don't think I could ever eat a whole entire bowl of this, but a few pieces here and there. I think it's actually pretty good. It kind of just tastes like really, really salty popcorn. I was kind of expecting this to have a weird aftertaste, but it really doesn't. Like I said, it's basically just extremely, extremely salty popcorn. Would I ever eat this again as a snack? No. It's not that bad. I was definitely expecting way worse, and it's all right, but I think I would never eat this again. I think out of 10, I would probably give this, I'd give it like a 5.5, maybe 6. Okay, so the next one we're gonna do looks so good, you guys. I saw it last night and I was like, oh my God, I need to make that right now. It's a different ramen recipe. It's just the way that this person makes her ramen, and it just looks really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and boil my noodles really quick, and I'll be right back. And by the way, guys, I thought I had like a regular pack of ramen. I don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and use just the Mr. Noodles and just strictly the noodles, because she does not use the packet whatsoever. Woo! Okay, noodles are done. They are steaming. So the next step, we have to drain them. And I'm just gonna go ahead and plop them back in the pan. Okay, so now I need to get a frying pan and some butter. Wabam. Ow, I just burnt my finger. Okay, so she does a tablespoon of butter. I'm just gonna do like that much. That looks like about a tablespoon to me. I cannot believe I burnt my finger. I literally put my finger on the burner by accident. Who does that? So the butter's melting, and she does a tablespoon of minced garlic. Plop her in. We're breaking up the soy sauce again. So she said she doesn't really measure, so I'm just gonna squirt some in there. Okay, now she does some crushed red pepper. I don't even think she said how much, but I'm just gonna do whatever looks good. And now she does a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So let's go ahead and get that. Okay, I have my brown sugar. I'm just gonna plop that in. She stirs it up and she says let it cook for like a minute. It smells insanely good. Then she gets green onions, but unfortunately I do not have any, which sucks because I love green onions. Next, we go ahead and add in the noodles. I'm so excited. The next step she does is she cracks an egg, but I unfortunately hate eggs. I do not like eggs whatsoever, so I'm gonna totally skip over that step because I would just not enjoy that if I did it. So definitely gonna skip over that one. So that's pretty much it. After she just puts on the green onion, I think she puts on some everything bagel seasoning as well. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. This looks amazing. I think I'm gonna go ahead actually and top it off with some of this vegetable seasoning on top. I think that'd be really good. Okay, moment of truth. We're gonna go ahead and try it. I'm gonna be so sad if this doesn't taste good. That is so much flavor, you guys. I think the only thing I would change about this, it's a little bit too sweet for my liking, so I think I'd probably do a little bit less brown sugar. But besides that, you guys, this is freaking amazing. I don't think I'll ever be doing my noodles the same way ever again because this is so good. I seriously cannot get over how good this is. Like I said, for me, I would probably do like a little tweaking with the brown sugar, but besides that, chef's kiss. Absolutely 10 out of 10. Amazing. Oh, and if you guys do make this and you make it with eggs, let me know in the comments down below how good it is, because I really wish I liked eggs, but it's just not my thing. I hate the texture, I hate the taste, the smell is just putrid to me. I really and truly believe we are not going to top that recipe, but I do have one more left, and it's actually a dessert, and this one looked so interesting to me. I was like, I have to try that. So this next one is chocolate meringue cookies, and just judging by that name, it's gonna be delicious. So the first thing we need to do is grab a bowl. Oh God, bowl acquired. So the first thing we're gonna do is get 2 egg whites. Ew, but I like them in desserts, so we're gonna go ahead and separate these bad boys right here. I suck at doing this, you guys. Okay. Ugh, eggs look, oh God, nope. Oh, lost it. Oh, the yolk broke. Oh my God. Ah, that was a fail. I have shell in there and everything. Unfortunately, I do have some yolk in there. I don't even think you guys can see it. Okay, we better have some good luck with the second one here. Okay, it's going good. Okay, chef. Easy. Okay, so that's done. Like I said though, unfortunately I do have a little bit of yolk in there. Hopefully that's not an issue. So sugar is the next step, and we need 3/4 cup. I gotta get my trusty step stool. So before I add the sugar in, I'm gonna take the eggs and just put it into the big glass bowl. Sugar. Next, she says grab a whisk or an electric mixer and just mix it up until it turns completely white. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a whisk, start whisking. Oh my God, my arm hurts, I'm breaking a sweat. I don't think mine's gonna turn completely white like hers though, because like I said, I did have some yolk in there. My only issue is mine's not getting like fluffy like hers was. See, mine looks like this right now, and I've been whisking for what seems like 10 hours. I really don't think that this is gonna get any fluffier than what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step, which I think is, let me see here, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I picked all these recipes last night, but I'm just now realizing she uses chocolate chunks and I don't have any. But I have chocolate peppermint patties, so we're gonna use those, I guess. Do I think that I absolutely butchered this recipe? Yes. And then she says just to mix everything together. Okay, so I have mine all mixed up here, and next she says to put it on a baking sheet. Do I have parchment paper? Okay, I do. I thought this recipe was gonna be a total disaster. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have my little sheet with the parchment paper on it. And then she says to next grab 2 spoons and kind of plop the, what word am I looking for here? Mixtures. Plop the mixture onto the baking sheet into little tiny mounds, I guess you could say. Totally forgot to turn on my oven, so love that for me. The big difference between mine and hers is mine is so much more runny, so I don't know how this is really gonna work, to be honest. You know what? I'm gonna do this off camera because I feel like I'm just gonna make a giant mess. I'm just waiting for the oven heat up, but in the meantime, I'm still drinking my drink. It is so good, you guys. I don't have much faith in these cookies, but at least we had, you know, the really good ramen. We had a good drink. The popcorn was decent enough to eat. So if this one does turn out to be a fail, at least we had 2 others that were seriously amazing, and I'm definitely gonna keep making these. I'm actually really sad that nobody's here with me to try them because I know my family would absolutely love the ramen. Okay, so the oven finally went off. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in for 25 minutes. Okay, so they just came in the oven. I honestly thought that these were gonna like go completely flat and burn to a crisp, but surprisingly they didn't. They do look like little meringues, and guys, listen to this. Let's go ahead and break this open. Okay. Oh, okay. So obviously mine are very minty because I put in those little chocolate peppermints, but it actually tastes pretty good. I think if I really did get the recipe, you know, down correctly and didn't mess up on that first egg, like I completely butchered that first egg, I think it would have worked out perfectly. I would definitely love to try to make these again. Like I said, they're pretty good. I was not expecting them to be good at all. I thought that this was honestly gonna be the biggest fail. I thought they were gonna be awful, but I'm very pleasantly surprised, honestly. I would give mine, I would probably give it like a 7.5 out of 10. I think if I got all of the ingredients right and the recipe right, I think that these would probably be like a 9 out of 10, honestly. All right, guys, so that's gonna be all the recipes that we tried today. I gotta say my favorite was definitely the ramen. I'm probably gonna be making that all the time now. It was seriously so good. Let me know in the comments down below, are you guys gonna try out any of these recipes? Also, let me know if you wanna see more videos like this because I actually really did enjoy making this. TikTok is just so fun and addicting. I could seriously make so many videos like this. So like I said, let me know if you wanna see more and I definitely will. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram. I'm always posting on there, so if you want to keep up with me, definitely go check that out. It's down in the description bar. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.